What's up, guys? It's Justin back again, and today me and my group have prepared another PowerPoint teaching you guys about AR and VR and how it will be a positive influence on our businesses in the future. So here are our table of contents. We'll go through this throughout the presentation. And to start, let's just start with a little introduction. What is VR and AR, and what's the difference? VR is virtual reality. AR is augmented reality. The purpose of VR is to take you away from the world, your real-life concept, into a completely virtual one. It's supposed to isolate you from everything that you're doing in your daily life right now, while AR is augmented reality, which is basically just adding on. You're superimposing virtual things on top of your already real life. It does this through recognition and tracking. But yeah, so AR is virtual stuff that you see on top of the real world stuff that you have in your life, and VR is a completely different reality. So that's the difference there. So now let's go ahead and talk about augmented reality in business. So the real big way that augmented reality can be successful is the way we looked at it is it can help you when it comes to online shopping. So basically, you'll be able to take a look at anything you're interested in purchasing. You'll be able to take a look at a preview, see how it is in life size. You'll get actual chance to see it in your house or whatever you're looking to buy. So it's going to seem really real, and then you'll get the best chance to see if it's a perfect fit, if you want to make the purchase or not. So that's how AR can be a benefit. In the industry, it's going to be super helpful financially. It's going to just reduce cost and time in manufacturing. You're going to be able to use it to save money. Any decision would have an effect on the efficiency of workflow, but if we use AR, we can minimize those manufacturing errors. So that'll just save time and money. That's the biggest takeaway there in terms of the industry. And in the future, it's going to change everything. It's going to change how we drive. New heads-up displays will help us. It's going to change how we shop online completely. Like I said, it's going to be completely revolutionary. AR is going to help a lot. Now let's talk about virtual reality. Most of the business aspects of virtual reality at the moment are video games, but the investment in headsets is high, and a lot of people buy them, but only it can be used for video games only at the moment. When we talk about industry, virtual reality, this is away from the video game side of it. This is how it can actually be effective in real world. Different types of military and medical training. If you're able to see the scenarios in front of you without so let's think of an example on top of our head. You're doing any type of medical training, you need to learn how to perform a certain surgery, and obviously you can't do it hands-on because there's no example for you to practice on. Virtual reality will be right there for you to practice as many times as you need to before you actually have to do the real thing. That goes with military, any type of teaching. VR will be able to give you any type of scenario to act out and practice on before you actually need to do it. So virtual reality will gradually mature. It'll gradually be used for much more than just video games, medical, military training, teaching. The game market will always expand because of this, and it will also help financially for any type of business or industry. We're talking about the culture, military. In conclusion, VR, AR will get rid of the trial stage, enter large-scale application stage. This is kind of reiterating what I've said before in the sense that you will be able to practice things beforehand, and you will be able to work on scenarios and work on like anything you could possibly imagine that you would need to practice or do. You will have that chance to do with AR or VR before actually having to do it.